Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump pads in Rivals. Jump pads are dynamic environmental elements designed to launch your character across the map. They are incredibly useful for rapid movement, reaching elevated platforms, and initiating surprise attacks on opponents. Understanding their basic function and how to approach them is the first step to mastering their strategic potential in any match. We'll cover the fundamentals and then move on to more advanced tactics. To use a jump pad, simply walk or run onto its surface. Your character will then be automatically propelled into the air, usually along a fixed trajectory. However, some jump pads allow for slight directional influence based on your movement just before activation. Experiment with different angles of approach to discover how you can subtly alter your flight path, giving you more control over your aerial maneuvers and landings. This precision can make a significant difference. Once you've mastered the basics, consider advanced jump pad techniques. Try combining a launch with an aerial attack to catch opponents off guard, or use them to quickly escape a dangerous engagement. For example, launching over an enemy's head can create an opening for a powerful downward strike. Practice different approaches and character abilities in conjunction with jump pads to unlock new offensive and defensive strategies, adding depth to your gameplay. A common mistake is rushing onto a jump pad without considering your landing zone. Always be aware of enemy positions and potential hazards before launching yourself into the air. Another tip is to experiment with various characters, as their unique weights and aerial abilities can interact differently with jump pads. By avoiding predictable movements and understanding the environment, you can turn jump pads into a powerful tool for controlling the flow of any match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.